So to test for the thoracic spine, you would have patient come off, so mid-chest at the nipple line is at the edge of the table. Move down a little bit. Okay, so same thing, they're going to clasp their hands behind their head, starting at a forward flex position. Therapist would stabilize at the ankles again and ask to raise up your chest and shoulders as high as you can. And good, relax. So if they're able to quickly move through that position and come higher than level with the table, that would be a grade 5. Grade 4 would be coming about horizontal with the table with a little bit more effort. Grade 3, you would have them put their arms down by their side and then try to raise your shoulders and chest up as high as you can, looking to get space in between the table and almost their belly button. Grades 2 and 1, you have them slide more down onto the table. So this time you would palpate in the thoracic area and ask to lift off from the table as well. And then grades 2 would be some movement, grade 1 would be a contraction, and 0 would be no movement at all. Okay, so we are testing trunk extension. So this is going to test this, start over. Alright, so we're doing MMT for trunk extension. We'll be testing the spinal erectors, which include the spinalis, longissimus, iliocostalis, thoracis, and the lumborum. They're innervated by the dorsal rami of the adjacent spinal nerves, and the normal ranges of the thoracic spine are 0 to 10, and the lumbar spine is 0 to 25. So for the MMT tests, grade 3 would be combined lumbar and thoracic, but the grades 4 and 5 tests would differ. So we'll go through grade 3 of both of them. So you'd have your patient laying prone on the table. You're just going to scoot down a little bit so you're completely on the table for this one. You're going to clasp your hands behind your head, and then the therapist would stabilize the lower extremity at the ankles, and then ask the patient to lift your head, chest, and shoulders up off the table and hold it there for as long as you can, and relax. So if they are able to do it with the therapist at this position and hold it there for a good amount of time, that would be a grade 5. Another way to stabilize would be at the pelvis. You would stabilize across the pelvis, and then the same thing, you'd have them clasp their hands behind their head, go ahead and raise your chest up off the table. If they can hold it there, that would be more of a grade 5. If they have struggle holding it there, that would be more of a grade 4. Another alternate way to test that would be to move forward and hang off the table a little bit. Just so your chest is off. It's gonna fall over. The therapist would again stabilize at the ankles. You would ask the patient to cross your hands across your chest this time, and then elevate that way. So raise them as high as you can and hold it. Good. So that would be a grade 5 and 4, depending on how long they would be able to hold it for as well.